Hey, this is Arlene. So I'm just coming back from a walk, actually a hike up to Bristol Observatory. I'm not sure if you're familiar with Benign, California, but anyways, I did my hike up there, and because I get targeted heavy in my lungs, especially when I sleep, I once in a while I try to do it once a week because when I was in school I couldn't really do it, but it's a steep hill. It's a short hike, but it's a steep hill, and it's really good, like just to cough up all the stuff you need to cough up, because like I just call it phlegm buildup. And I do that, and it's yucky, but the stuff comes up. I don't know what it has to do with walking up the hill, but the stuff comes up. So anyways, that helps a lot. But I do have to cross a lot of streets to get up there. And, you get people that are jerks. And that's another thing with Periscope. I use a live stream. It's live and no one's lying. Just like TMZ. You ever watch TMZ or go to TMZ.com? I mean, what they have, it's live. It's on video. You can't lie or say anything. It's there. So I just wanted to talk about that. But I guess it's just something that you deal with. This place is, I have it on another video. I haven't uploaded yet, but this place is, when I come down this way, Western Avenue, I get a lot of followers. And I don't know what happened tonight, but it's happened a lot before. And it's called the Covenant House. So I do get stuff from followers from there. They come out like clockwork. It'll either be girls or guys. And I'll know because somewhere along the line, I keep track. I'm aware of who's around and who's hanging out. So I'll know if they're following me or not. But it usually happens every single time I walk by the Covenant House. And I don't know if they really stay there because there's cars that come and park on the side, and you see people coming in and out. So I don't know if it's somebody being dropped off by Uber or Lyft, but it is something that it does happen, and may not happen today because I already did a video on Periscope about it that I have to upload onto YouTube. But actually I have to re-record it because right now I'm blocked from doing any downloads to my camera roll. I have a hacker, so that's in the sense that I to pretend like they're going to cross. So anyways, I do have that problem. I mean, there's nothing I can really do about it, but it is what it is. So usually, like when I'm here at a major signal crossing, I usually let all the cars that need to make a left because basically what happens is they will make a left in front of me anyways. Or they'll come and make a left when I'm crossing and I'm halfway over, and then they come like from right behind. So I just give them the right of way because I don't feel like getting hit by a car. And the thing is, you really don't know if they're just going to scare you, and everyone has your judgment or perception of how far something's away from you could be off. So I just like to play it safe and just let them, I can wait. I know people don't like it, but I've caught so much stuff on Periscope of things that have happened to me, so I don't have time. I mean, I have time when it comes to that. It takes more time up, but if you're TI, you know that we all can't always make it on time. Well, at least me, the time that I have, because I just never know what's going to happen to me. What's going to delay or change the course of my day. So I just wanted to do a quick video on that. Just kidding. So I'm walking back to my apartment. This is Western Avenue, southbound, and that's the 101 freeway. So that's basically it. You can't really see downtown LA, but it's a nice view. I wish I had that view from my apartment, but I don't. Okay, that's enough now. Bye.